You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this saint, originally from Milan, Italy. Theologian, if you want to learn more biblical names from the Bible that are confusing and often confused, mispronounced. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Saint Ambrose of Milan, canonized as Saint Ambrose. It was Ambrose of Milan, canonized as Saint Ambrose. Saint Ambrose. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.